Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the new trick of making logo design from Fiverr. And also, I'll tell you that how to sell your logos on Fiverr. Now, let's get started. Go to your Fiverr account. As you can see, the upper section has some categories. Now, go to the graphic design and click on Logo Maker tool. As you can see that I already make 2 logos. This is very easy way to make logos. You can make logos for your business or other channels. Now, let's make logo. Here, you can see the option, make a new logo. Click on. Now, here it is, some few steps to make a logo. First, add your brand name. And second, add your slogan. Now, here, as you can see, I write the brand name as Digital Grapher. And slogan, be creative, be social. You can add according to you. Now, tap the next. Second step is, tell us your brand. Means, which type of brand it is. And, next is, which type of element you include in this logo. As you can see that, Digital Grapher is related to graphic design. And, write the elements, which are related to the graphics. Now, tap the next. Now, the third step is, which type of logo style you like. Here it is, some options, you can select according to your style. I select these 3, minimalist, 3D and vintage. And tap next. And, now, last step is, define your brand's personality. Means that, how strongly do these values represent your brand? You can set according to you. I set these slides according to my brand's personality. Now, tap the Make My Logo. Here it is, the logo is processing. Here it is your logo. There are so many beautiful, unique styles of logos. You can select one. I choose this one. This logo have unique style. And, here it is some different pics of logo poster. On the left side, there is some options, which design of logo you want. You can select one. I choose the second last design. Because it's look good. Now, click on Customize the design. On the left side, there is options to edit your logo. You can change color, name, slogan, shape, background and layouts. If you don't like this style or color, you can edit this. Now, click on Buy and download. Here it is some packages of logo. Essential, professional and unlimited. Here, all of requirements mentioned here. Now, if I scroll down the page, here is option to download a sample. Click on it. In this way, you can sell your logos. If you are newly graphic designer, have not experienced to make logo, the Fiverr Logo Maker helps you. Thanks for watching.